Now, guys, I'm in Pop Shelf. I'm all over the place today. Hi, how are you? Look, this is what I'm talking about. $3 with 30% off. That's what I'm talking about. And look at the candles. Aren't they cute? Well, they definitely have Michael's beat. This is my first time in a Pop Shelf. Look at this house. Isn't that super cute? Look at this. $5. Look at this Pop Shelf, guys. Look at these prices. Oh my goodness. And why does this store smell so good in here? I mean, you can't beat these prices with a stick, can you? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to talk low. Look, they have makeup. They have NYX and L'Oreal. They have some jewelry in here. Wow, look at this. These are so expensive in Kroger. Look at these, guys. They're cheaper. Look at this. Look at these prices. And if you have a putty tat or a dog, a fur baby, they even have something for them. Look at that. Here's the snacks for our furry friends. They have florals here in Pop Shelf. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They have crafts. They have party supplies. They have a market section with some candy over there. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. Like those M&Ms. Let's swing back there. Look at these. I should get these guys because it's supposed to snow tomorrow and I could be inside and I can watch you guys' videos and snack. Guys, I just bought some frames and Home Goods. So let me turn this over. $5. These are cheaper. I could have got these. The ones in Home Goods were $5.99. But you know, you live and you learn. I should have came here first. It's just that I didn't know it was here. I'm still exploring Texas. Flatware over there, towels and rugs, lamps. They have some chargers. A lot of candles in here. It smells so good in here, guys. I don't know what it is, but it really smells nice in here. These are for your deck or patio. Boy, they have covered everything here in Pop Shelf. Hope they don't go out of business like Big Lots and the Christmas tree store. Who knows, this might be a spinoff of the Christmas tree store. Okay guys, I wanted to give you all a spin of what's going on at Pop Shelf. I am shocked. Oh, look at these cute little faces down here. Oh, look at these. Those are really super cute. Like if you have a sunroom, you know, or you want to have your house decorated for the summer. Super cute. All right, guys, that's it for Pop Shelf.